We are at what airport, babe? Haneda Airport. We are heading to Kyoto. Thank God the flight is only an hour away. We are so hungry, but let's get the show on the road. We are flying through Japan Airlines. So far, so good. I mean, everybody was so nice here. The TSA was so easy. They barely even checked us, but let's see.
They bow down to everybody. It's like we're like here. Like
I felt worthy. Like I felt like I was like untouchable.
Yeah, like they make everybody priority.
Yeah, it was so nice. Like, why can't every airport be like this? Konnichiwa! Our bosses were like, fine, that's fine, you guys can go ahead and leave, but just, you know, make sure the packet that I give you is your homework and you're gonna study on the plane.
Yeah,
whatever.
At least I only gotta study this.
You only have one paper. I have this whole thing to study. It's fine. So this is one of the biggest rooms in the hotel. It's a double Japanese room. It's pretty nice, but yeah. In Japan, they don't consider having any space, but this is what we're working with. I think this is the size of our bathroom. We missed our bedroom, but
this isn't even the size of the bedroom.
Yeah, and it's black and white. Wow, we have to beware of your own kind.
Can't wait to get near them and take a pic.
We like to do the illegal. Oh. Just bending down at every angle I can with my fluffy hair. Don't mind me and my fluffy hair.
Columns are, the bigger the donation is.
Ooh, nice to know.
You researched, huh?
Yeah. Oh, you're my Safari.
Your guide.
She's my Google. No, I'm your guide, and then you actually did the learning. I did the planning, and you did the learning. How efficient. That is exactly how we travel. She'd be like, oh, where are we going today? And I'd be like, I told you 5 times. And then we get here, and I'm like, what does this mean? That's exactly us. Every train just gets better and better. Imagine these in New York. Nobody would ever leave the train station.
Yeah, it would be vandalized.
Oh my god. What are you eating? A random piece of bread.
Yeah, I saw that trust.
Oh my god, and black doors. Wow. This is crazy. Well, we finally made it after an hour and a half to what temple? This is a significant and landmark scenery here in Kyoto. So everybody comes here to take pictures because obviously the temple's view is right there. So are you ready for some pictures?
No.
No? Well, you better, because I did not walk 2 hours for this. So we have made it to the bamboo forest. Let's see. Oh, hair flip. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We finally have sun in Kyoto.
I'm more excited about the
It's exciting. Yesterday we walked for like 4 hours straight. Our legs are still sore. We're probably gonna walk some more now. It's this way. And she's watching. Like, oh, they're calling you. Jay, Jay. You're home, home, home.
You're funny, huh?
Yeah.
Funny. Match.
International or domestic?
US
Damn. When did they hire you?
Express shipping right here.
Hey, but not for free, you heard?
First class shipping.
Yeah. You come with a price.
Time is like a jigsaw puzzle. You have the jig, but no saw. Where's your saw?
Oh my god, we're so annoying.
don't leave Europe.
Brazil, Asia.
Oh no, he's like, oh, but I have to go to Asia. Don't leave Europe, Asia, or all of the Americas. I love Pink Panther.
Me too. Oh my goodness, every shop we come to, I just want to take it all. Bamboo cups, so cute.
Real bamboo. Look, even the little tables are made of bamboo.
Wow,
Cute.
so efficient. Oh my goodness, is that an instrument?
Oh no, I think it's like to call each other.
Ooh, let's teleport like that.
Is that an instrument?
And then I use the other one. Don't put it in your mouth.
Why do you always think I'm gonna put something in my mouth?
Because you're like a little kid. Like some sandals for you. Ooh, some bamboo baskets. Oh my god, we're at the monkey park. I'm a little nervous. If I see that they're vicious, I'm gonna be like, bye Felicia, I'm out. If only they look that friendly like how they do on the pictures.
We're so ready.
I mean, not. Let's see. Ooh, now we have to hike up 30 minutes. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Damn it, how are we gonna walk back down? Oh my gosh. I'm seriously out of breath.
Everybody's mad at
I only made it to the monkey park 45 minutes later. Look at the baby one. Oh my god! Wow, it's like a real life hand. Oh my god!
Yo, he licks his fingers and everything.
I cannot believe we finally made it. Oh my goodness, it was such a mission to get right here in front of the temple. Everybody's just staring at us. Oh my god. Like, I was literally taking a picture and 50 people were just like behind me grilling me. Like, I paid for a reason, I'm gonna get a good shot.
Yeah, this is the only temple we had to pay for too.
Yeah, so best believe I'm gonna get a good shot. And I know we came late, but
Yeah, we did come pretty
we got a good spot.
The holiday's
We fought for it. Yep. Okay, so we are on the limousine bus on the way to the airport. So we haven't taken one taxi. Well, actually we did.
Yeah, we had no choice.
Yeah, we had no choice because we went like the wrong way when we first arrived in Kyoto.
We were like in the fucking dead end alley.
Yeah, like, and taxis are overly priced in Tokyo and in Kyoto. So yeah, but other than that, all of our airport rides have been like $6, $7.
Yeah, the taxi was like $4.
Yeah, because we were like lost in a circle. But this limousine bus is 1310 yen, which is $11. I'll never believe I went to the airport in a coach bus.
Oh, look at that mall.
So nice for $11. And then to Tokyo, to the Haneda airport, we take a Kyoto line, which is like an express train bus, and that's like $5.13. So yeah, basically all of our money has gone to food and transportation. And yeah, so imagine we would be spending double if we took cabs. But we're not lazy.
Yeah, because the cabs here,
they're overly priced, and they
the cabs are just like insane.
they go by the meter, so they start at like 500 yen.
The bus is lit. Yo.
Yeah,
it's not even like a fucking.
Yeah, it's a coach bus. It has USB ports, AC. You can close the curtains, and the airport's an hour away, so it doesn't have to be comfy.
In Thailand, we took cabs everywhere.
Oh, but they were like what,
$1,
$1, $2. Yeah.
Here they'd be like.
Yeah, Japan is more expensive, but
like $70.
Yeah. Exactly. And in New York, from like even to LaGuardia, it's like $45. And like a pool. So what can we do? We love, yeah, like Tokyo is very exciting. Amigos, today
First, you make a swim. Then, you make a ride.
Like they don't know how to speak English or give any directions, but somehow we've been doing it.
Yo, we had to, with Google Translate, fucking tell them to talk.
Yeah. So say bye. Say bye to Kyoto. Farewell, Kyoto. See you in Nepal.
Yeah, because if we come back, it's back to Tokyo.
Yeah.